Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
I've had an ongoing pain in my right foot.
Okay.
Underneath the right outer heel area.
How much pain do you feel there from 0 to 10?
If I twist my foot out, it's 7 or 8 out of 10.
Where do you feel it?
The pain is right in here.
Right in there. So when you twist it out, what about the standing or walking? Do you have issue with that?
At times I do. So standing like that.
How much pain?
Maybe like about 3.
3. Okay.
Barefoot.
If we want to aggravate it, how we aggravate it?
If I wore my shoes, it's more aggravated.
More aggravated?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a little bit history about how long this has been going on. How did you hurt it?
It's been ongoing for about, I would say, 6 weeks.
6 weeks. Okay. And how did you hurt your ankle?
I was on about an hour and a half walk.
Okay.
Towards the Venice Beach area. I was out with a friend walking around for a long time.
Okay. And you start to feel pain there. So I see you have like a boot there. Just briefly go what's going on with that. Is that like when you start to have pain on the side, or before the boot, or after the boot?
This was happening before the boot.
Okay. Tell me like what kind of treatment you had on this ankle.
I've had some massage therapy.
Okay.
I've had some cold packs and some massage. Not much.
Okay. So let's actually try to do this. I want you to stand and put more weight on this side and tell me how you feel, like pain-wise, because I want to see 0 to 10. So you're technically standing on that foot.
Right.
Okay. How much pain?
Right now it's about maybe like 2 or 3.
Okay. Let's walk a few steps and tell me how that feels.
So that's more painful.
How much?
That's more like 3 or 4 or 5.
So walking is more
Walking
pain.
is more painful.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's all in that spot.
Yep.
Any pain anywhere? Okay, let's walk a few steps and tell me how that feels.
Feels a whole lot better.
Any pain, or it's 0 to 10?
No, 0.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
And have you stand on it a little bit, just a second, and see how that feel. We try to do more than before to see how that's responding. It's good, yeah. Are you single leg stand here? Look at that. It's nice. Yeah. How's that?
Much better.
Much better. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the ASTR treatment?
Impressive.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Right, Chris. So today is you coming for the second time. Can you give me a little bit of update? We worked on your ankle, on your foot.
Yes, pretty much. My pain level is 0.
Okay.
And
so how many treatment you had so far?
just one.
Just one treatment.
Yeah.
And you back to normal with your normal activity for your ankle?
Yes.
Okay. So you think about the treatment, like after having one treatment and experience the relief?
It's very profound, very amazing.
Awesome. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.